So here I have my 2013 Ford Police Interceptor Sedan. I have the 3.7 liter engine. I just took the belt off. I'll show you briefly how to do that. I just figured I'd make this video because there's nothing specifically for the Interceptor Sedan. So you can see right here I have a cheater bar attached to this ratchet. Let's see if I can zoom in there. It's just a normal like square, like 1/4 inch, and right there, it's kind of hard to see, but right there, this is the tensioner. And so right now it's off to the left because I pulled the thing off. So what you're going to want to do when you are taking it off, cheater bar helps a lot. And just put it on there, and then here, and that loosens it. And then once you have it loosened, it should be easy enough to work the belt off. Just kind of a little bit of, wiggling and worming. Pretty easy. I'm about to start attempting to put the belt on. Now, I haven't done this before, but, it'd be kind of dumb to try and make a video teaching how to put the belt on if I, well, yeah. Anyways, here we go. So, I've been told, easiest way, I'm gonna see if I can get this kind of into a better loop shape. Kind of broaden that out or something. Maybe, oh jeez. Alright, so something like that. Now, over, I don't have anything to point with. I should might be able to see it do it. Probably can't. Let's see if I can adjust this a little bit. So, let's see if I can touch it. Okay, can't exactly see it, but right there, that is, and there's the crank. It's one of the thingies. So, right there, I'm gonna be going to there, and all the other fun wheels. So, let's see if I can do this while my phone's in the way. It is also not exactly the best weather today. Hopefully, my hands are skinny enough. Under there. I'm just kind of looking at the fluid level. Hold on. See if I can get it. Okay. This is a mess. Come on through the tensioner. Okay. I need this up a little bit higher. Keeping that tension off. See if I can get that to wrap around. Okay, getting there. All right, now I have to get it around the, well, the one right. Okay, you can't see it. That one. This one. So, I'm gonna move this back up, and I'm going to try to do precisely that. Let me tighten my arm here. Okay. This could be easier if I used a implement, but or if I went underneath even. Let's see if I can. No, I think I just unhooked something. See if I can sleep that on. Guaranteed I slipped something off that I wasn't supposed to Let's slip off. Oh, I'm doing all right. Let's see. I shouldn't need to go into the car. Come on. Yeah, I could definitely imagine how if you have beefy arms, or rather not lanky arms like I've got, this could be an absolute pain. Oh, jeez. Oh. Maybe, I mean, I could try. See if I can do this from underneath. Oh yeah, actually going underneath is not the worst idea. Except, this would be a lot easier with the second person. Oh jeez. Oh gee whiz. Okay. Should I get it? Almost. I think I still have to adjust this because the main one, the biggest wheel, it seems slightly off. Okay. How's that? That looks almost right. See here. Okay. All right, so aside from the main one, the biggest one, it's all aligned. Let me see if I can get this to spin. Oh wait, I'm a dumb, stupid idiot. Remember, well actually don't say, this is my first ever car video. I just recently started getting into cars. Let's see here. I want to try and document a bit more of my car exploits, you know. Is that in line with the tension? It would appear so. Alright, and you can see this is like it's no longer, now that I've got the belt on, it no longer wants to all the way over. So now it actually has some of the tension. So, might need to use the cheater bar again. But again, as you can see, this is just a normal straight ratcheting. Pop in there. Okay, yeah. Wait, let me. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Come on. Okay, hopefully that doesn't tip over. Okay, just apply tension. Seems to all be functional. Let me okay, sorry, had a delivery that was just delivered, as deliveries get delivered, but this all seems fine. I'm going to go in, start the car real quick, and see if it works. I'm replacing this, by the way, because it had a squeaking sound. As you know, it's kind of like the biggest indicator. and it would appear that the squeaking sound is officially gone. So, yeah, it's working. Yeah. Not much else to it. You see it's going around, all nice and tension-like. Yeah, that's about it. See ya.